Alliance San Diego contacted me for the first time in November 2012, but before then, I really had voter fatigue. I didn't really see the importance of getting out to vote. I just had a lot going on. I'm working, got kids and family, just everything, schedule's too busy, didn't see the importance of it. But Alliance San Diego really takes the time to educate people, and I'll speak for myself, they educated me. It was, like I said, November 2012, Prop 30, I remember that, and it was really something that impacted me directly. And I saw it could benefit my kids in the future with schooling and just the taxes that could go towards that. And before that, I didn't really care too much about the proposition. There were just so many different elections popping up in San Diego that I did not take the time to really get out and vote. My wife didn't either. We just didn't see the importance, but Alliance San Diego has followed up with as well. That was a big thing. The initial contact happened, they came to the doors, there was phone calls, but it kept happening throughout the last couple of years. And that's really helped me to understand why I'm voting, understand where to vote, how to vote. So I've really taken that upon myself, start with my family and then those around me to share the importance of voting every election. Even if we're tired, we need to really see how it affects ourselves and our community. We all love San Diego, and getting out to vote on November 4th is another way to show how much we love San Diego.